l'appelle Lucky Luke, de l'Est au Far West. Il arrive au galop, le cowboy héros. Son tir est plus rapide que son ombre. Et son revolver va plus vite que l'éclair au sacré Luke. Bang bang Lucky Luke, bang bang Lucky Luke, c'est lui qui a le truc, c'est tourné. Bang bang Lucky Luke, bang bang Lucky Luke, c'est un homme qui n'a peur de personne, même pas des Daltons. C'est lui qui a le truc pour nous étonner. Bang bang Lucky Luke, bang bang Lucky Luke, même les Daltons qui ne craignent personne ont peur de Lucky Luke. Bang bang Lucky Luke, bang bang Lucky Luke, c'est lui qui a le truc pour nous étonner. Bang bang Lucky Luke, bang bang Lucky Luke, oh sacré Lucky Luke. Et hors la loi n'échapperont pas au tir de Lucky Luke.
Let's hear it for the warden. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oh, gee, fellas, you shouldn't have.
3 cheers for the warden! Have a nice birthday!
Keep quiet, Averill!
But why, Joe? It's a party, and I love parties.
Yeah, well, we weren't invited. And if we're not good enough for the warden's party, we're not good enough for his present.
Oh, a solid gold skeleton key and a monogram padlock. Well, I'm flattered.
We made it!
We made it! We made it!
While the warden was enjoying his party, Jolly and I were enjoying the splendors of the great American West.
Some splendors, wind, dust, and sunstroke. And to top things off, that dumb dog Bushwhack is dogging our trail. No pun intended.
Telegram for Lucky Luke. You Mr. Luke?
Yep.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Bad news, Jolly. The Daltons have escaped from prison. Come on, Jolly. We've got to round up them slippery sidewinders.
Yeah. Bushwhack, well, what you doing out here? Get on home, boy.
Oh, goody. He's finally noticed me, and he wants me to follow.
Since the dog didn't want to leave, I thought I'd put him to use, cracking the Daltons.
I don't know what this game is called, but I'd enjoy it more without a nose full of sand.
That cowpoke's luck is holding. This dumb dog is leading him right to us.
Let's make tracks.
Not that way, you ninny. We're heading north to Canada.
Why Canada, Joe?
Because Lucky Luke can't arrest us there. We ain't done nothing bad in Canada.
That's 'cause we ain't never been to Canada.
I'm impressed, Bushwhack. You actually found the way. Looks like the Daltons are making for Canada. And so are we, Jolly.
Canada? Does he realize how far that is? I'm no iron horse. Why doesn't he take the train?
Yeah!
How much further to Canada, Joe? Yeah, my feet are killing me. When can us Daltons stop running?
Soon as we cross the border. And stop calling us the Daltons, 'cause we're gonna be incognito.
Gee, I thought we was gonna be in Canada.
We are, you ninny, but we're gonna become the Jones boys. I'm Frank Jones.
Okay, I'll be Lewis Jones. I'll be Robert Jones.
But, Joe, we're the Daltons! Yeah, the Daltons! Thanks, it was right on the tip of my tongue.
Not the Daltons! We're the Jones boys! I'm Frank Jones, you numbskull!
Oh, I get it. And I'm Numbskull Jones.
Oh!
Well, Jolly, obviously the Daltons' trail has gone cold.
The trail? What about the horse? I'm freezing.
But the code of the West says we must press on, Jolly, even though we're having no luck. Giddy up!
Gee, Joe, this sure beats walking. I'm glad those stagecoach riders are scared of us Daltons.
We're the Jones boys! I'm Frank Jones.
I'm Louis. I'm Robert.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm Numbskull Jones. But whatever I'm called, I'm hungry.
That looks like a good spot to chow down.
Great! What's for dinner?
So this is what they call living off the land. Yeah.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
I can't eat this stuff.
If you don't want it, can I have yours?
I'm heading for the river to wash this stuff down.
Oh, there's a friendly face. I think I'll leap in his arms. Lucky we dogs instinctively know how to swim.
Tarnation! That dumb dog again! That Lucky Luke must be around!
Now I'm getting the hang of it.
Here's a perfect opportunity to sneak up on that Lucky Luke varmint. Let's go.
Lucky Luke can rest easy with me on guard. After all, I come from a long line of watchdogs.
Now nobody moves until I give the word.
Right, Frank? Right, Frank?
Right, Joe.
It's Frank, you numbskull! And I said don't move!
But I didn't move, Joe. I mean, Frank.
I guess being a watchdog is okay, but it does get a little dull.
Dull? I'd say it gets a little dumb.
Oh, where's the Canadian border, Joe? Frank?
I'll tell you when we get there. Now put me down, numbskull! We're there! Canada!
Yay!
Someone's coming. It must be Lucky Luke. We better duck down.
No! We'll duck up!
Hey, Lucky Luke's got a new red coat.
You numbskull! It's not Lucky Luke, it's a Canadian Mountie, and that means we're completely safe.
As Jolly and I neared Canada, the heavy snow made it easy to pick up the Daltons' trail. At least for some of us.
Those dumb Daltons, why couldn't they have fled to Florida?
We dogs enjoy the change of seasons. I just love wind, snow, sleet, and ice.
Hurry, Jolly. We got to get bushwhacked to shelter.
It wasn't cold enough. Now I've got a canine ice pack on my back.
I didn't want to alarm my friends, but I feared we'd never find a cabin in that wilderness. Well, I'll be hog-tied if it isn't a cabin in the wilderness. This must be your lucky day, Bushwhack.
Bushwhack's lucky day. It's not exactly Black Friday for Luke.
Colonel Winston Pendergast of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police at your service.
Lucky Luke, a poor lonesome cowpoke a long way from home. At yours.
You're just in time for a spot of tea.
Would you believe iced tea?
Your dog? Rather a strange breed. Perhaps he'd like to warm himself by the fire.
What a nice man. We dogs love to curl up next to a cozy fire. Much better. But I wonder what he meant by a strange breed.
What brings you to my neck of the woods, Mr. Luke?
A quartet of cold, calculating convicts. The Dalton gang.
Well, I'm afraid you've wasted a trip, Mr. Luke. No one, not even the Daltons, would dare attempt a felony in my territory.
Let's see how much we got.
I do the counting around here. Give me that.
You don't know them Daltons like I do, Colonel Pendergast.
I must have done something nice. Lucky Luke is petting me.
I'm sorry, but I'm powerless to act unless the Daltons commit a crime in Canada.
Mark my words, they will.
I'm being robbed!
Once the ice was broken, the Canadians were more than happy to help in the search for the Daltons. But the desperados led us on a merry chase.
I failed to find anything merry about it.
Weary as we were, the Mountie and I pushed on without stopping.
How about stopping? It's tea time.
Of all the rotten luck, it's that rotten Lucky Luke. Oh, no, they're heading for the cafe.
Wait till Joe comes back and sees how good we done. Yeah, we robbed this cafe all by our lonesome.
Joe will be, Frank will be proud of us. Lucky Luke.
We got the drop on you this time.
With your permission, Colonel.
Certainly. Go right ahead, Mr. Luke. Deftly done, Mr. Luke.
It was nothing.
I guess Joe won't be too proud of us now.
Those nitwits. Leave them alone for 5 minutes and they go and get themselves captured.
You stay here and guard the Daltons while I go after Joe. That is, if you don't mind.
Oh, not at all, Mr. Luke.
No, Bushwhack. Stay here and try to assist the Mountie.
Oh boy, I get to assist. Whatever that means.
10 to 1, he'll never learn.
Now, you stay here, old boy.
Oh, I bet he wants me to follow him. So this is what assisting means.
Oh, no, old bean. You stay in the back, I guard the front.
I think he wants me to rest now. I'm not moving a muscle. That should please the nice man in the red coat.
Any luck, Mr. Luke?
Yep. I found Joe Dalton's trail, and it leads this away. How are the prisoners?
Gone.
Great idea to walk backwards, Joe. Yeah, Lucky Luke will think we're going the other way.
You're a genius, Joe.
Of course. That's why I'm the brains of this outfit. I use my...
Oh, no! They run off and left their baby brother alone in the wilderness. Wait till I tell Ma about this.
Shut up, numbskull.
But Joe, ain't we gonna walk backwards no more?
No,
Well, how come?
'cause this way's safe.
Mr.
Timber! Thanks for telling us.
So, you four wish to be the lumberjack. You do not look like the lumberjack.
Oh, easy, Big Rock.
Perhaps you shot down the petite trees, eh?
Is that an insult?
Besides, I have all the lumberjack I need.
Oh, yeah? Be back in a minute. Excuse moi. You are now short 4 lumberjacks, Big Rock.
You too are short, but you are hired.
I had a hunch that if the Daltons made for the Big Pine country, they'd be very hard to track down.
If the Daltons head for the Big Pine country, they'll be very hard to track down.
Yep. You took the words right out of my mouth.
It is time to commence the lumberjacking.
Ready, numbskull?
All set, Frank. See, I got your name right.
But everything else is wrong.
The petite one, he makes me laugh.
Oh, what do I do now?
Saw off the top of the tree, you ninny!
Now I know what to do.
Obviously, you four are not cut out for the cutting down. We will see how you fare in the kitchen. Get the kitchen ready. I'll go to town for the month's supply.
We've searched a dozen settlements for the Daltons, Mr. Luke. Maybe we'll have more luck in the next town.
I've never trusted much in luck.
I should be so lucky. I'm freezing.
I say, it's tea time. Oh, sugar. I'm out of sugar.
Let's see. 200 pounds apiece, 50 gallons of maple syrup, 8 sacks de flour.
1 cube of sugar, if you please.
Ah, the Monty! Long time no see.
The pleasure is all mine. Allow me to introduce my companion, Lucky Luke.
Howdy.
That's called shaking hands. We dogs know how to do that.
Chanel, you and your friends must come to my camp for the dinner. You will be the first to sample the cuisine of my 4 new chefs.
Oh, I'll track the Daltons better after a good square meal.
I'll ring for the service. It's about time. I am famished.
I'll lie down like a good dog, and then I'll get a bone.
When I hunkered down for victuals, I never figured the main course would be Joe Dalton.
I must have been good. I got a lot more than a bone.
Come on, boy. The Daltons are a-getting away.
I am glad these chefs are gone. This roast beef is overcooked.
Gee, we must be playing follow the leader. I'm good at that.
No, no! That'll teach him to chase us!
You say bushwhack, Colonel. I'm sure he's much obliged.
It sure beats walking. No one can catch us now.
Best escape we ever made.
What? You'll have to speak louder, Joe. That noise from the waterfall is drowning you out.
Waterfall? Yeah!
like your mission is over, Mr. Duke. No one could survive Bear Trap Falls.
It's hard to believe the Daltons have finally gone to their reward.
I say, I'll escort you as far as the border, but first...
I know, a spot of tea.
What's your pleasure, gents?
Tea for two.
Sorry, honey, we're all out of hot tea.
What?
Those guys in the corner just cleaned us out.
The Daltons?
Lucky Luke!
They're heading into the deep snow, Mr. Duke. Here's a sled. But unfortunately, we have no dogs.
Funny, I thought I was a dog.
Any dog in a storm. Let's give Bushwhack a shot.
Nice of Bushwhack to volunteer.
Mush, old chap, mush!
I think he wants me to lie down.
Mush! Mush!
Couldn't we go faster if you pulled too, Joe?
The Mountie always gets his man, no matter how.
Couldn't we go faster if we didn't have to pull the sled at all?
Hey, I'm the brains of this outfit, and I say we can go a lot faster if we don't pull that sled.
They're gaining on us, Joe.
Quick, we'll hide. Keep quiet, and they'll never know we're up here. Even if they're not out of sight yet. Now, stop that twitching.
I ain't twitching, Joe.
If you ain't, who is? William?
Nope.
It's Jack?
Not me, Joe.
Uh-oh. No! Oh, yeah!
That wasn't the world's best hiding place, Joe.
What do you mean? At least we got rid of that dang Lucky Luke.
I wouldn't go so far as to say that.
Stand your ground, you ninnies. Luke can't touch us while we're in Canada.
It's my friend again. I bet he'd like me to leap in his arms. Why aren't they playing with me?
Is it really possible? Bushwhack's brought the Daltons to justice. And to the good old U.S. of A. Thanks for all your help, Colonel. Hope we meet again in better company.
Did he insult us, Joe?
Shut up, you numbskull!
Boy, this is an easy way to play follow the leader.
I don't believe it. Must be a mirage.
Luke, how can we ever thank you for bringing them Daltons back?
Oh, no thanks needed. Happy to oblige. With the Daltons in good hands, I spurred jolly toward the wide-open spaces we love so well.
Speak for yourself. First I'm freezing, now I'm boiling. I'd trade these wide-open spaces for a decent hotel room.
I'm a poor, lonesome cowboy. I'm a long, long way from home. And this poor, lonesome cowboy has got a long, long way to roam. Over mountains, over prairies, from dawn till day is done. My horse and me keep riding into